Welcome to the new episode of talking about my engines. This is the latest steam engine to my collection. I got this on my birthday as well as the fire engine, but the reason I did the fire engine first was because I got the fire engine about 10 minutes before I got this one. So I got that one first by about 10 minutes. This is the D100E kit, because the kit's called the D100 and E because it's got a generator. So, before I tell you any more, let's start it. Let's blow the whistle. This one has no regulator on it, so we just turn it over. And the exhaust, I'm going to get, this is the first time I've done this in engines, I'm going to show you the exhaust on this engine. So, I'm going to bring on the camera. So like I just saw in that shot, it comes out of just behind the engine. It's a little tray here. Hopefully got enough pressure now. We're getting close. Getting very, very close. I think we're off now. And there we go. We are running. So this is a very, very simple Wilesco. And it is a oscillating engine, means the cylinder goes like that. The valves are just ports. And back here it has a little block. So the steam comes, there's a little fuel tablet tray here. Steam comes from this pipe here, down through this bend. Comes in a little box where it goes into the entrance bit, and the exhaust goes just above the pipe, and then it's directed down through the box out into here where the steam will go up and the water will just collect in this tray where you just put a little towel in it and it'll soak up the water. So it's got this lovely steam here. Now I haven't got much of my tablet left, that's why it's running slowly. But the whistle is just a little butterfly whistle. Oops. Oh dear. That whistle sometimes comes loose. And I've stopped the engine. I'll get it going. But yeah, this engine is a kit. So you can buy this engine new and you can buy the generator new, but you can't buy them together. You have to get it as a kit. It's a good starting kit for anyone who wants to get into kits. And the engine on its own is a good starter for anyone who wants to get into model steam engines. Yeah, just a nice little simple steam engine. No proper valves or anything apart from on the whistle. Has got a little sight glass here though, so you can see how much water is in your boiler. But when we're really with Wilesco engines, it's compulsory to have a little sight glass. Are we off again? I love how slowly it's going. Let me just get an angle of this for you. Just look how slowly it's going. I just love how slowly it's running. I love it when they run slow. I don't like fast engines. Absolutely lovely. Probably going to stop in a minute though. But I do hope you like this engine, guys. Comment below what you think of it. And I shall see you guys in the next video. There won't be a talk about my engines video for a while until I get a new engine. But I hope you enjoyed, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.